My name is Michael Hum, and I'm a senior from Bellevue West. I once had a dream to change the world with one poem, one voice, and one mic. Thrice the components, but only one of each type. So with the subject matter for revolution in a world that needed improving, I took to an audience that would listen. Like Yeezy, I was spitting, ripping on stereotypes and thrashing in their ears like Mike Tyson in a fight. I was spitting fire to the hearts that was frozen like ice, breathing power enough to bring tears from the glands of people's eyes. But my audience didn't prep me for what was in store when I left those doors to see I had almost no effect on the outside world I knew before. But, like a tourist, I changed my view, and that's why, fellow poets, I'm calling out for you to take back the world from Nicki Minaj's and Little B's, because ignorance is a trap, and our words are the keys to set free. We are the voice that adds a new dimension to the underlying proof. We pass the baton to erase lies by relaying the truth, and we can never be coward speakers, because we are frontline troops, catalysts of the world without guns, tanks, or nukes, and they need to see the point like a needle to its tip, and we'll always beat a rapper, because we don't need an instrumental to spit. So let's wage war on the world and its conditions of inhibitions, and we never use guns because our tongues are efficient ammunition. So poets, let's rise like Maya Angelou, and like an economic stock, let your pin zoom fast so you roll past writer's block, and be clutching an MJ like every word is your last shot, to speak encouraging words to make depression elated, have the courage of a Nittany lion by the power our pen stated, so we can tell Wiz Khalifa there's more to life than using girls and getting faded, and tell Big Sean to admire a woman more than just the way that she can dance, and maybe teach Chris Brown how not to touch a lady with his hands. We could tell Lil Wayne he was a better rapper before he ever got a million. Tell Tyga he does wrong to all the chicks of Rack City. I could tell Bubba Sparks my girl doesn't need a new booty just to show, because regardless of her shape, I'll still love her if she don't. And tell Lil Wayne and Jizzy Drake I respect her more if she won't. So spit it, we will. Spit it like every one of your sounds are p-p-p-p-p. Spit it like Daffy Duck talking so fast he can't even breathe. And spit it like your food for thought has your saliva glands going past insane. And freedom's in your saliva and freedom needs to reign. Spit it like your poems and hospitable skills are so ill that your spit is contagious and it's something they must feel. So to all my spitters, I'm calling us to recruit. Because if we're not ready to fight, then we might as well all be mute. So if you are an armed and ready spitter, then get ready to pledge. Stand with me. Stand with me to salute. And if you didn't think poetry could change the world, then look around. Here's proof.